the original question was, what's a publisher to do? Well, I have a couple of suggestions. One is to leverage your ebook options, and one of the most important things I can say is to publish your E and P, your physical and your ebooks simultaneously. As I learned through a hard experience working at Baker & Taylor and now at Bookmasters, the majors need it to be done that way, and you'll sell a lot more of your ebooks if you do it that way. Maximize your discoverability. It's if you have a bestseller, it's easy. If you have a John Grisham as your author, it's easy. If you don't, you need to take other steps. Use widgets. They're great. They're inexpensive. Social media. It's the wave of the future, as I see from my 8-year-old daughter. Great metadata. I can't emphasize enough the importance of making sure that you take advantage of what's free, which is to you take your best shot at metadata, author bios, really good description, get those BISAC codes right, and of course selective pricing promotions, especially on the ebook side. You have a series of books, you come out with the first one at 99 cents or $1.99, or even free. It helps pull the other ones through. Okay, and shop around for a distribution partner that meets all your needs. It's easy to make promises, but really explore in depth what your distribution partner can do for you. Leverage digital print. I think that's what this is all about anyway, but find the printer with the best mix of offset, short run, and POD. And make sure that they can meet your quality levels. And what we like to do at Bookmasters is employ a title-by-title strategy. So we have groups. Some titles are traditional distribution candidates. Others are short-run digital candidates from the get-go. And others just should go into POD and be happy that they're alive. Okay, and be flexible with that. Okay, and plan your titles to take maximum advantage of the technology, because the technology is evolving. So think about where the technology is going to be a year from now, and plan your publishing program and your distribution and print strategy around that. And lastly, maximize your global sales opportunities. To sell globally, it's always been about selling rights. Selling rights is great. There's not a lot of work to do after you sell the rights, but sometimes you can't sell the rights, or sometimes it's more advantageous to do it yourself. Well, there are a lot of other ways to do it yourself now.